So hey guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video I'm gonna give you the twin queen bedroom of Best Western in Crawfordsville, Indiana tour. Okay, so this is the main door you enter. It's tab based. Okay, so you don't need to worry about it. So when you enter, okay, immediately after you enter you have a closet where you can put your stuff. Okay, they have press also. Fine. Hi, so I'm also showing you the washroom. So the washroom is very spacious. Okay, this area is like standing showers. This is a good thing. Spacious, lights are too good. Okay, so absolutely no complaint at all. Here you have like microwave, coffee machine, and of course coffee materials. Sorry for the luggage. And you have a small, in fact more than what you expect, refrigerator too. Okay, you have a mirror, you have a table, you have a chair, for a revolving chair, sofa, bed is like this. Sorry for the mess guys, we are almost about to check out. And then this is like heating and cooling device both. View is very good here. Okay, fine. And the good thing is room is very spacious. If you look from here, it's spacious, completely spacious, no problem at all. Like you can just walk around, play, as you can hear the noise. So this is what it is guys. Thanks for watching this and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.